Organize and find images in your signatures more easily with Bybrand's new tag system. Discover how this feature streamlines your workflow in the email signature. Start with predefined tags, logo, person, and banner that help you instantly classify your images. In Full View section, add custom tags to your images for detailed organization that matches your specific needs. Use tags to quickly find and organize images while creating or editing your HTML signature. Access tagged images directly from the editor to save time. Need a specific icon? Simply type keywords in the search bar to find the perfect icon instantly. Plus, Bybrand now automatically analyzes your uploaded images and generates relevant tags. Boost your productivity with Bybrand's new tag system when managing images and editing email signatures. Experience the simplicity and speed for yourself.